Hello beautiful person watching this video. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without being monetized. This is not clickbait. This is not any of that, sis. I made $2,000 on YouTube and I still have yet to receive my first YouTube paycheck. Now you're probably wondering, sis, why haven't you received your first YouTube paycheck? And the reason for that is because I haven't set up like my banking account or my checking account yet, because I'm just like waiting to get certain stuff together on my end. So I haven't input that information into YouTube for them to send me my first YouTube paycheck. So I've just been making money other ways, and I'm going to be putting you guys onto all of that. So I'm going to cut the chit chat and just get straight into it. So the very first thing is something that you have probably heard about, which is affiliate marketing. I will link some videos in the description box of this video that you can check out that will go more in depth on affiliate marketing. But there is a website called Magic Links that you can sign up and you can input the link where you bought something from, and it will make like a magic link for you. So basically the way that affiliate links works is somebody will buy a product using your link. So they can buy something from Amazon using your link, and because they used your link, you will receive a certain percentage of the profit from their purchase. Now commission percentages vary. Sometimes you'll get 5% commission, sometimes you'll get 30% commission, 40% commission, all sorts of different things. But having affiliate links in your description box definitely does help, especially when you are reviewing a product. A lot of times, I know y'all be doing unboxing videos, you do review videos, you may talk about a new camera that you got or a new microphone that you got and things like that. You can make an affiliate link for that camera, an affiliate link for that microphone. I mean, think about it. If you bought a $400 camera off of Amazon, but you made an affiliate link for that camera and somebody purchased that camera and you got 30% commission, you're getting a nice little chunk of change, okay? So definitely don't sleep on affiliate links. Now the next thing that has made me money is doing promotions. So once I hit maybe like 5,000 subscribers, that's when I started doing promotions on the YouTube community tab of my page. Now you have to have 1,000 subscribers to get access to the YouTube community tab, but basically what I would do would basically give people paid shout outs on my YouTube community tab for $14 and $7 on my Instagram story. And a lot of people just got both a YouTube and Instagram story, so I was making $21 from multiple people. The last time that I did paid promotions, I made $400 something in one day, okay? And I believe at the time I was maybe at like 7,000 subscribers. So you don't have to have a huge ton of subscribers to be able to do promotions. So you can definitely do promotions if you have like a, you know, a nice subscriber base. If you have like 700, 500, 1,000, people are not really going to pay to get promoted by you because you don't have a super big audience. If you have 5,000 subscribers or above, I would definitely consider doing promotions because there is a hefty little chunk of change that you can make from doing promotions. Speaking of which, I might just do them today just to get a little money in my pocket. Now my third thing is to offer services. Come up with ways to make little side hustles, and I'm always thinking about that. I personally have like a billionaire mindset, so I'm always thinking about new ways to make money. So it started with me doing the promotions. That was a little service that I offered. You know, I'm doing some paid shout outs. Then I started doing channel banners. So I did banners for $8. I knew how to make like pretty simple banners because I made my own banner that I had until I was at around 5,000 subscribers. I paid like a good little chunk of change to get like a different banner made. I know how to make pretty simple banners. So because they're pretty simple, I only charge $8. Now, once I started publicizing that I am making these banners for $8, I got a lot of requests. So just to make $100, I'm doing banners for 12.5 people. And honestly, these banners take me not a lot of time to make. So just by making banners, if I'm making banners like consistently in a week, that's a good like $300 in my pocket. You can also make intros for people. If you know how to make intros and you do good intros, you can make intros for people and charge even more, maybe $10 to $15. You can also edit for people. If you know how to edit, you can definitely edit for people. Depending on the length of the video and exactly what they want, you can change up the price. Honestly, if I was to edit for somebody, I would probably charge maybe like $50 to $80 just for like a 30-minute video. You can also make thumbnails for people. If you know how to make good thumbnails, you can make thumbnails for people, come up with your own price. So just offering these little services will really contribute to the change in your pocket, okay? And definitely just kind of price yourself how you want to price yourself. I personally feel like making my prices a little bit more affordable. $8 for a channel banner is really affordable because most people will charge like 20, 25, 30, 40, but $8 for a channel banner, it's a price that you're willing to spend. Like everybody has $8. Like you probably just spent $8 at Chick-fil-A. Having a price that is a little bit more affordable makes you have a bigger clientele. Anything that you know how to do, definitely like use your YouTube channel to broadcast it and make money by doing that. Now, my next thing is to sell products. You guys may know this, but I do have a business called Melanin Bliss Cosmetics, and we sell cruelty-free ethnic beauty products from lashes to lip gloss. Our website will be launched officially soon. We're super excited about it, but I do sell products. You have maybe like 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers. It's a good time to maybe start considering merch. You can also sell digital products. Digital products is a huge thing, and the digital market is a big one, especially now. You can sell ebooks, you can sell digital downloads, you can sell Lightroom presets, Instagram story templates, and so much more. And one girl started selling Instagram story templates on Etsy, and within the first week she made $2,500. Okay, so selling really simple digital products is a great way to make money. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is sponsorships. Now, you can get sponsorships with a small subscriber base. Now, if you have 100 subscribers, 200, I don't really know, but if you have maybe like 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers, you can definitely score a sponsorship because small businesses are willing to work with small YouTubers. If we think about the bigger businesses, Nike, Curology, a lot of the companies that you see sponsoring bigger YouTubers nowadays, they have a budget for that. And these bigger YouTubers cost, okay? I charge $115 to $200 to do a dedicated sponsorship video. Obviously, what I said in this video, $115 to $200, was extremely low, and companies will try to trick you and definitely undervalue you. So you have to know your own value. And so I asked a good friend of mine, Annie Dubé, how she goes about price rates and how she charges people for sponsored videos, and she uses the website Social Blue Book, and I will be using that from now on. According to Social Blue Book, my suggested price is over $800, and of course it changes every day as your subscriber rate goes up and views goes up. But yes, if you're interested in doing sponsorships, definitely check out Social Blue Book and know your worth, because companies will definitely try to underpay you. A lot of people will hit me up, I want you to try out these beauty products, I want you to try out this, I want you to try out that. Okay, that's $115. Oh, a 3-minute video? Yeah, that's gonna be like this amount, you know what I'm saying? So when you get a certain subscriber base, you can definitely start charging. But until you do have that subscriber base, the 1,000 to 5,000 subscriber range, you are definitely able to score some sponsorships with smaller businesses to get free products. So I will also link some videos in the description box of this one that will go more in detail on how you can get brand deals, PR packages, and so much more as a small YouTuber. Now, I hope that this video was helpful to you on how to make money without being monetized. There are so many other ways on doing it, and I will be sure to put you guys onto new game when I find more game. Putting y'all on all the game. I'm putting you on all the tea, okay? So if I find anything, I'll definitely let y'all know. So I hope that this video was helpful to you, and I will definitely see you in my next one. So bye.